Welcome to Moicon Use Cases to help you optimize production in your factory today. Material flow is the foundation of any facility, and I will show you how you can optimize production and delivery using our platform and several features including our Path Manager and Markup Manager. Material flow affects the entire production line, and these features provide the user flexibility to test routes and avoid bottlenecks in the production process. A material flow contains elements related to storage of goods, assembly lines, container sizes, delivery route design, optimum quantities. Designing a proper material flow is important for several reasons. Ability to predict and plan inventory levels and increase frequency of deliveries. Production line efficiency as materials move through the predictable routes. Space and resource utilization. Improved operator productivity due to standardized workflows between workers and machines. We can start making a material flow for this facility. First, we can create a path from the Path Manager feature by clicking the plus sign. Design your path by placing vertices on the project to build a route. You can set the interpolation type to choose whether angle should be smooth or linear. You can also customize thickness and color of the path. Let's add an additional path to designate the delivery route through the building. The next step will be to identify and mark key points throughout the routes. In this case, we can use the Markup Manager and click the plus sign to add a markup to the designated point. You can create markups for everything you need to indicate, including descriptions of materials and various tasks like the ones we are making now. Feel free to make as many as you'd like that fits the desired information flow of your route and production line. You can also observe the length of a given route in the Path Manager. This is helpful when needing to be aware of potential wasted space in the route. We can also place more information in each markup to monitor, for example, estimated time to complete a task or process in the material flow. In this case, we will place the estimated times in the field pop-up title of each individual markup. We can also add total cycle time to each path by adding a custom property field. After totaling the number of minutes we assign to each markup or station, we can add a custom property to the path, and the field will appear once created. Add the total number of minutes for this path and do the same with additional paths. If needed, you can use the Process Analysis feature to help you estimate time values. Some important aspects to note while creating efficient material flows include keeping the total route time less than your target route time. Try various routes throughout your facility to maximize efficiency by monitoring total times and lengths in the Path Manager. Animate paths to show the flow of the delivery route from a top-down view. Use kiosk mode to see the path from a first-person point of view. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next use case video.